What's good, YouTube? This is Anthony Lyons, AL Designs. It is October 28th. As you can see, I'm in a ride on my way to the airport. Actually gonna stop at the mall first. This is gonna be a video, probably a fairly long one, about AL Designs takes over San Diego Halloween Bash. I'm here with Albert, my neighbor. We're gonna get down there, show San Diego how we do it. Got some surprises for y'all. You want to click like, share, subscribe. You're not going to want to miss this weekend. We got a lot of fun going down. We're going to be at a casino all weekend. Hopefully we win some money. So you want to stay tuned, all right? Again, AL Designs takes over San Diego. All right, we on the way. So me and Albert just stopped to get some food before we hit the airport. And this nigga said, this is not collard greens. He said, nope, no seaweed for Albert. He got himself some pizza, but he said, that ain't collard greens. He ain't touching it.
I ain't touching it, bro. Ain't happening.
Just leaving the mall. Big ass mall, South Center Mall here in Washington. Got me some draws for the trip. Gotta get some fresh draws. And also got me some necklaces and bracelets. You ready? Yeah, look at him with his glasses. He ready. We ready. It's kind of nice out here watching, but we going to that Cali weather here soon. So stay tuned. I'll cut y'all back on when we get to the airport. Just landed. About to head out to the casino. We're gonna go get our rental cars. I'll show you guys the rental cars as soon as we get there. This is gonna be a good weekend, so stay tuned. AL Designs, San Diego.
We gotta go over here.
Yeah.
I wanna know where the big guys at. My mom timed in. Hold on, DV. Don't hang me up yet, man. Alright.
Look who I ran into, YouTube. That's my boy, Tom North. Yes, YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Yeah, we about to go get these rental cars. I got a surprise for y'all, YouTube. When I go to San Diego, I do it big. At least, you know, play hard, work hard, play hard. So we are gonna go head over here to Terminal 2, waiting for our cars. And I'll cut you on once I get to the cars. So when I get to San Diego, this is what we do. So Albert, my neighbor, he got this one. He got this one. He got the BMW I8. This is what he got for the weekend. And then my brother, he got the Lamborghini Yaris. So we got the Lamborghini Yaris for my brother. We're gonna be rolling out for the weekend. And now let's go see mine. What does AL Designs have for the weekend? Albert, you like your car?
I love it.
All right. Now let's go see mine. AL Designs. What does AL Designs have? Let's see. AL Designs got the Lamborghini Huracan convertible. I'll have this for the whole weekend. This is what you do when you come to San Diego as AL Designs. I told y'all, so click like, share, subscribe. We got more content on the way for all this San Diego trip. Gonna win some money at the casino, have a blast, all right? Stay tuned. Good morning, YouTube. AL Designs, Anthony Lyons back at it this morning in the Lambo. Having a good morning. Forgot to pack a freaking toothbrush. I gotta go get me a toothbrush, and then I got a bunch of family coming in. I'm from San Diego, so I got a lot of family coming into the casino where I'm staying. I'll get you some footage and content of the get together we're having at the little poolside area of the Sequan Casino here in El Cajon. Just stay with me. I got a really nice scenery up in the mountains, kind of El Cajon. If you ever come down to San Diego, check out Sequan Casino. It is by far one of the nicest casinos in the area. Very quiet, secluded out here. But just stay with me. We're gonna have a good day. This is Saturday, the 29th. Saturday the 29th. Ooh. Enjoying myself and my family. Hope you guys having a good weekend. So stay tuned, and we got some more footage and stuff from AL Designs. Well, YouTube, I'm still in the Lambo, about to go get my brother, one of my brothers. My other brother's already here in San Diego, but my brother from San Francisco just flew in so we can hang out. We're gonna have some lunch or dinner with some family at the casino. But man, this traffic here at the airport is bad. I barely even moved. Been here for about 10, 15 minutes already. Probably got another 15, 20 minutes just to get him, but it'll be all worth it. We got the other Lambo behind me. I'm gonna go pick him up in both. So stay tuned for more coming from AL Designs, San Diego, California, Halloween weekend. All right, YouTube, I finally got out of that damn traffic. Was in that traffic for a long time trying to get my brother. I finally got him. This is my brother. Say hi to YouTube. It's my brother Brian, coming from San Francisco. We're headed to the casino now, up in the mountains. Still out in San Diego. Oh, I almost lost my damn phone. We cruising in the Lambo. About to have dinner with the family. Got family and friends at the casino, and then it's beach time. And we got more from AL Design, so stay tuned. Do not leave. All right. What's up, YouTube? Albert's still here.
Yes, I am.
My brother here. We chilling at the beach. It's nice out. Got the cars. We chilling.
I kind of figured he was.
I don't know how many drinks you took care of, but at least one.
So you gotta pick which hand.
See how good you are.
One of them is your tip.
See how good you are.
So pick a hand. One of them's your tip.
One last ride. About to give the cars back. It's gonna be a sad moment with AL Designs, giving the car back. Sorry, I didn't do too much content of the beach life and all that, but we had a lot going on. I did get some business. Been talking to some potential clients. Anybody out there that got exotics, let me know. I'm gonna have some shipping and stuff to do. Uh-oh, let me get out of here. I'm gonna get in trouble. There you go. Man, I tell you what, this car is off the hook. Dang, Brian, you short.
What? Is he still? Why you got your flashlight on?
My flashlight?
Your flashlight's on your phone.
I don't know.
Check this.
Well, YouTube, it's the last video of us having these rides for the weekend. We did our thing, drove them around. This is the Lamborghini Yaris we had. My brother and my cousins were driving this one around. Albert's a little sad. He gotta give back his I8. He said he's trying to put one of these in his parking spot at home. So we done for the weekend with these, but we're definitely not done gambling. We're gonna be gambling a little bit more until we leave tomorrow. So again, stay tuned. AL Designs takes over San Diego Halloween style. All right, YouTube. We back in Washington. Look how sad Albert is. We had a blast, but man, we're back to the rain. Just landed. Had fun and some nice weather. Poolside. Got to see my family. Stay tuned for more from AL Designs.